I was looking around Sappington School and thinking about how we don't really have any artwork or anything that represents the students currently at the school. So I looked to partner with an artist and want it to be a local artist.
For me as an artist, I use like vinyl records and baseballs and hockey sticks and things like that. And I think that's kind of what sets me apart from like a lot of other artists. I actually got in touch with someone at the high school who had a bunch of the old Lindbergh jackets, and to me, like looking at it, it's kind of vintage, like having like the old school jackets, and like they were just sitting in bins and boxes like in a storage room somewhere. And the kids had so much fun. There was like hammers and pliers and nails, and they were like excited that they got to use it. So I think it was just cool to have them making something out of things versus drawing and painting.
Sometimes students, when we learn about artists, they're either dead or they live very far away, and so students don't quite see themselves as artists. And that's why it was really important for me to not only find somebody that was local, but somebody that like came from their own school district, so they can kind of see like, oh, I can be this person, or I can make this kind of artwork. It was incredible. It's so neat to just see students walking around and saying, I did part of that, or oh yeah, I remember that day. So they have some ownership over some of the things that were hanging up at their school, and they leave a legacy too. So they know when they come back years later that it's up there. That's why we have a plaque to commemorate them.
Like, I have a good feeling about it. Like, people will like the piece of art, and I feel like people will enjoy it.
I really like it because it like helps me remember it. Like, I look at that painting every day and I go, oh, I helped out with that. Because I feel like that's a big part of Sappington, that just little picture.
I love that it's a way that they can still feel connected at school and like that they contributed something to their own school environment.